So with Angular CLI in place, now we can create a new Angular project. So we type ng new, and let's call this project hello-world. So this generates a bunch of files and folders, and then it's going to use npm to download the third-party libraries. All right, our project is successfully created. Now to start coding, we need a code editor. The editor I'm going to use in this course is Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's a beautiful cross-platform lightweight editor that you can download at code.visualstudio.com. If you don't like this editor, feel free to use any editors that you prefer. You can use Sublime, you can use Atom, or any other editors. Now, if you're going to use VS Code, I want you to add it to the path so you can easily open it from the terminal. So here, if you're using Mac, press Shift, Command, and P. Or if you're using Windows, press Shift, Control, and P. This opens up the command palette. Now here type code. Look at this command here. Install code command in path. With this, we can go to the terminal. In the folder where we created a new project, Hello World, simply type code period. So this opens up VS Code pointing to the current folder. Now in the next lecture, we're going to look at this structure. You're going to learn what files and folders we have here. But before we get there, let's make sure that this application works. So back in the terminal, once again, we use Angular CLI to load our application in a web server. So we type ng space serve. So now we have a live development server listening on localhost port 4200. And Angular CLI also compiled our application. It generated bundles for JavaScript and CSS files. So we can open up Chrome and head over to localhost port 4200. Beautiful. This is our first Angular app. Next, we're going to look at the structure of our new Angular project.